Hi friends, welcome to Data Genie Global. I am Srikanth, your host and guide on this exciting journey through the world of data visualization. Today I have an exciting topic lined up for you. We'll be exploring how to build your portfolio in Tableau using Tableau Public. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this step-by-step guide will help you to showcase your data visualization skills to the world. So let's dive in. Show you how to build your portfolio. Let's go through the essential steps to get started with Tableau Public installation. To get Tableau Public installed on your local machine, head over to Tableau website, which is the link provided here, and click on Explore Public button, where you'll be directed to the Tableau Public website. And it's free, fully functional software that allows you to create and share interactive visualizations. Follow the installation instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. So in create option, you have download Tableau Public Edition here. And if you go through this link, you'll be able to download the Tableau Public. So if you are clicking on this, you'll be able to start the download. Link we can download the Tableau Public. As I have downloaded already Tableau Public on my desktop, I'm using that file to install. So let's start installing Tableau Public on our local machine. So I have to click accept term conditions of the license agreement and click on install. And yes, and it is an easy simple step procedure to install the Tableau Public, and which doesn't has any complications in it. It will directly install. Okay, it's about to complete. Tableau Public has been installed on my system successfully. So this is how we can see the landing page of the Tableau Public. And if you want to upgrade, you can click on this upgrade button also. If you want to view the viz of the day from the Tableau landing page, you can select this option, and you can also select many options available here for the training purpose and to learn how to perform dashboards also here. And from the left side, you have connect option as in same as Tableau desktop. So using these options, we will be able to connect to the local files and to the server. So let's start connecting to the server. So currently I am selecting an Excel file. So documents, my Tableau repository. I already have the saved data sources here. So currently I'm selecting sample superstore. The first thing we need to do when we are connecting with the Tableau Public is we have to take an extract connection and then build the visualizations, because we cannot publish any workbooks into Tableau Public in a live connection. So we have to perform an extract and then connect them to Tableau in Tableau desktop. So as we are currently working on Tableau Public, so the files are automatically here updated. This we can build visualizations in each sheet level, and we can use the file option, and we have to use the save to Tableau Public or save to Tableau Public as option to publish them onto the Tableau Public. Tableau Public is to sign into the Tableau Public account. So to create an account, you need to click on create an account option here in the Tableau Public page, and you have to give the basic details. So currently I am giving my basic details. You have to enter the email ID here and password and confirm password here, and then continue to create my account. And you will get a verification email to your email, and you have to verify that, and then you will be able to log into the Tableau Public account. So let's, as I have already Tableau Public account, let me show you my account so that you will be able to understand how the Tableau Public interface looks like. This is my Tableau Public account, wherein I have added my profile pic and all my Tableau visualizations to my Tableau Public profile, and this was my recent dashboard, which got around 3,200 views in Tableau Public. So like this, you can also create different types of portfolios in Tableau Public and publish them to Tableau Public so that everyone can view. And you can also use this public profile to showcase in your resume so that interviewers will be able to forehand go into your resume and get how you are uh, like publishing your insights and displaying the insights. And that concludes my comprehensive explanation of installing Tableau Public in the local machine as well as signing into the Tableau Public. So before I go, I have a small request for you, my valued viewers. If you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I kindly ask you to support my channel by hitting that like button and subscribing if you haven't already yet. Your support motivates me in continuing creating valuable content like this for you. I also want to hear from you. I value your thoughts and feedback. Please take a moment to leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this video. Thank you for joining me today and being part of Data Genie Global community. Remember to stay curious, keep exploring the world of data visualization, and harness the power of Tableau to unleash the true potential of your data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Until next video, happy visualizing.